nowadays have most of the adults working. Both the males and females are working. So it's always a challenge for them to manage the work, the household, and the cooking part also. So there are some daily tips for the working adults and the couples. Though we all know about it, but then reiterating and revising is very important so that we have a healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle. First of all, always for the working women and working males also, always try to carry the home packed lunch at least for 4 to 5 days a week. We all know the benefits of home cooked food. It is balanced in nutrition. It's home style cooking, so there are no preservatives. It is customized to your style, lifestyle, and your diet preferences. It also promotes gut and healthy immunity. So it's always better to pack your lunch rather than taking the meals from restaurants or from the canteens. Then the second is always plan your weekly groceries. Avoid last minute junk orders. How can we do that? Assess your needs and preferences for the week. Plan ahead. Create a weekly menu. Lay down your menu so that you can check your pantry and make a detailed shopping list. Consider bulk purchases and be mindful of sales and discounts. Avoid shopping when hungry. This is very important. Once you have the grocery in your kitchen, it's very easy to go about cooking yourself. Then always try to eat seasonal and local produce. Seasonal and local produce is always cheaper, fresher, and healthier. They are more nutritious. You can always save money. Food tastes better. The seasonal fruits and vegetables are always better in taste. They have a lower impact on the environment. They can add variety, and they also support the local farms and business, which is always very good for the country. Always add one fruit mid-morning and one evening. We all know the benefits of the various fruits. Pineapples help in digestion. Cherries contain a lot of antioxidants. Grapes improve the nitric oxide levels. The oranges are very good for the skin and a lot of vitamin C is there. Bananas are a good source of tryptophan, so always useful to have them at night. Drinking lemon water is very useful. Apples, watermelons, all are very useful. So always add them in your daily meals. Always try to replace fried snacks like samosas, kachoris, and pakoras with handful of nuts or roasted makhanas and chanas. These nuts are always good source of vitamins, omega-3s, magnesium, and other minerals. So always try to replace the fried snacks with nuts and roasted nuts. Avoid eating while watching screens. This is very, very important nowadays. We all know the gut-brain connection is there. So if we are watching screen, it is not useful for us. We don't know the amount of food that we are eating. We don't know the taste of the food. We are always busy watching the screen. So if we are eating the food without the screens, there are lower stress levels, there are clearer hunger and satiety cues, improved digestion, and better relationship with the food. And there is decreased emotional and stress eating, which is very important. Now coming to drinking water, Dr. Glenn ma'am already highlighted, drinking water is always important and it should not be replaced by aerated drinks or excess tea and coffee. Health benefits of water we all know. It hydrates the body, it promotes healthy skin, prevents kidney stone, boosts the blood, the brain health, prevents headache, flushes out waste. It supports digestion, very important. It boosts the muscle health and aids immunity. So the water is never replaceable with aerated drinks or coffee and tea. Now coming to the street food. We are always so fond of street food, especially in Delhi. Street food is the most unhygienic food. The nutrition is zero. So we should always try to avoid street food. Coming to the outing that we all have, occasional outing is always good, but it should not be a daily escape from cooking. Homemade food is definitely better. It is more cost effective, higher in nutrition. It is fresh and wholesome. It maintains weight and reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and it can be customized to our individual preferences. So we should always take homemade food and avoid outside food. It should only be occasional in special occasions. We should always learn some quick recipes so that we don't waste time during our work schedule cooking only. Should always preparation should be done prior to the actual cooking. We can cook gravies, keep them in the fridge, and cutting and chopping can be done earlier, so that cooking takes less of time and we are able to manage our work with the cooking and the home schedule. Prefer home style tiffins or dabbas. We all know Mumbai, which promotes this system culture, and people there on offices always used home style dabbas, which gives them nutritious and wholesome food rather than eating from the canteens every day. And always reserve outside meals for family celebrations so that you can enjoy the company of family along with the food, and this should be occasional only. Lifestyle integration is very important. Exercising at least 30 minutes per day is the need of the hour, and nutrition works best when we're active. Regular exercises prevents excessive weight gain. It helps maintain weight loss, prevents our high blood pressure, improves our mood, very important. So very good for our mental health, boosts our confidence, boosts our self-esteem, very important for our muscle strength. Exercise is very important. Sleep, another important part. Benefits of good sleep, we all know. There's less stress, healthier weight, and better work next day. Manage stress. Don't compensate with overeating. Eating is not a stress buster. Instead, try to use spas, exercises, inculcate hobbies, use meditation, do yoga, spend time with nature, spend time with music or other hobbies, time management, so that stress is less and we don't overeat and unhealthy food. Avoiding alcohol and smoking. This is very, very important. Very, very important. Alcohol and smoking, they cancel the nutrition benefits besides damaging all the organs of the body, liver damage, cardiovascular problems, neurological damage, mental health issues, social problems, increased weight gain, and alcohol dependence. And all these lead to early death of the person. Now, tips for the working couples. Working couples always have that constraint of time. So sharing the cooking duties is very important. Health is a joint responsibility of both the couples. So sharing the cooking duties is very important. Eat at least one meal together without the phones, and make Sunday family meal preparation a habit to reduce weekday stress. Now there's a 5-2-1-0 rule, which is important, which is helpful in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. 5 or more servings of fruits and vegetables every day, 2 hours or less of recreational screen time, 1 or more hour of physical activity, and 0 sugary drinks. If we practice this rule, we'll be able to keep ourselves healthy and happy. Thank you.